Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, and it's an A Day. The Achieve 3000 winners are Sarah L. and Reese R. Thank you. Keep reading. Look at this. This is all the materials that we've collected from students who still had things in their lockers. There will be a pickup day later this afternoon from 3 to 6 p.m. You or your family can drive up or walk up and pick up the bag that may have your things in it. There'll also be a pickup day on Thursday in the morning. Ms. Mason is sending a message, an email message today to students who do not have a bag to pick up. In other words, your locker was empty. If the only thing that you might need would be from school would be the yearbook that you might have ordered earlier in the year, and that's all you have to pick up, we will mail those out to the kids who don't pick them up either today or Thursday. We'll mail them out next week. So remember, today 3 to 6 p.m. and Thursday 9 a.m. to noon. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.